Struggling to find a ceiling fan that keeps your space cool without the annoying blades? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, AQUBT20 Bladeless Ceiling Fan. The AQUBT20 modern low-profile ceiling fan caught my eye right away, especially with its sleek black design and features like stepless color temperature change. Priced at $97.66, if you want a fan that looks great and adapts to your lighting needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 6 different wind speeds, you can customize your comfort, ensuring that you're not stuck with one setting. Plus, the fan operates quietly thanks to its specially designed motor, meaning you won't be distracted by annoying whirring noises while you work or relax. And the stepless dimming feature allows you to shift from a cozy warm light to bright daylight, letting you set the mood just right. But I have to be honest, some users complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance you get might just make that initial hassle a minor detail. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your space with a stylish, functional fan. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY installations because it can take some extra effort. Now, if the installation aspect of the AQUBT bothered you, the next product might be a breeze to set up. Product number 2, ZMISHIBO 19.7 Ceiling Fan. Next up is the ZMISHIBO Ceiling Fan, which offers a modern flush mount design in a compact 19.7 size for just $73.25. If you're after a stylish addition to your home office or kids' room, this is a solid contender. The LED light source here is really impressive, featuring a memory function that remembers your last brightness setting. With a range of 3000K to 6000K, you can easily transition from a warm glow to a bright work light, which is perfect for those late-night study sessions or gatherings. Plus, the fan's reversible DC motor means you can enjoy a cool breeze in the summer and circulate warm air in the winter, maximizing your comfort year-round. However, I did notice some reviews pointing out that the remote control could be a bit finicky at times. That said, if you're someone who prefers a stylish fan that doesn't take up much space and provides good airflow, I think the ZMISHIBO is still worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a compact fan with smart features. Skip it if you prefer a fan with a more straightforward remote experience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for aesthetics and noise control. Product number 3, LEDIARY Caged Ceiling Fan. Now let's look at the LEDIARY Caged Ceiling Fan. Retailing at $89.96, this one really caught my attention with its unique farmhouse design that can seamlessly fit in with modern decor. Plus, the fan's 6-speed settings and timer functions let you customize airflow to your liking, whether you're having a quiet dinner or hosting a party. But I have to mention that this fan doesn't come with bulbs, so you'll need to buy those separately. Now, while some might see this as an inconvenience, it actually gives you the freedom to choose the exact lighting that fits your style. This is perfect for you if you appreciate design and functionality in one package. Skip this one if you want an all-in-one solution without the need for additional purchases. Now, if you're more focused on quiet operation and the aesthetics of your fan, the next option might just sweep you off your feet. Product number 4, AQUBT 19.7 Bladeless Fan. Next, we have another offering from AQUBT, their 19.7 Bladeless Ceiling Fan priced at $59.11. This is a fantastic budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. With a tri-color and stepless dimming feature, you can effortlessly switch between warm and cool lighting, making it perfect for any occasion. And the remote control with app compatibility makes it super convenient to operate from anywhere in the room. Now, there were some complaints about the fan being a bit less powerful than anticipated. But honestly, for smaller rooms, it does just fine and still provides that gentle breeze you need without taking over the space. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a quality fan with great features. Skip this if you need something with more powerful airflow for larger spaces. If you're looking for a reliable and quiet fan, the next product might be the one to beat. Product number 5, LEDIRY20 Ceiling Fan. Finally, let's check out the LEDIRY20 Low-Profile Ceiling Fan, which you can snag for just $61.69. This one stands out with its modern design and solid performance. This fan offers a powerful DC motor that keeps the low noise levels down while providing good airflow. With 6 speeds and a timer setting, you can easily adjust it to your comfort level with just a press of a button. It also features smooth dimming and color temperature control from warm to daylight, perfect for any activity or mood. However, I did come across a few users who found the installation instructions a bit lacking. That said, if you're handy and comfortable with DIY, I think you'll find this fan to be an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and efficient fan at an affordable price. Skip this if you prefer more detailed installation guidance. Now, let's wrap things up and see how all these fans compare. To sum things up, we've looked at some fantastic bladeless ceiling fans today. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AQUBT20 bladeless ceiling fan because of its stylish design and versatile features. The one to avoid, I'd say the LEDIRY caged ceiling fan, mainly due to the additional cost of bulbs that some might not want to deal with. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.